Hello and welcome once again to my channel on a very precious day. It's Sunday. Every day is Sunday because of the lockdown, but Sunday still more importance. And we are going through preposition. I think it is very important as I am doing since I have started my class revision. I think I should make you memorize once more what I have taught, what I have told you in preposition. At first, the definition, and I told you a preposition is a word that establishes the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other parts of a speech in a sentence or other parts in a sentence. एक और है, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. Whatever. Once again, a new definition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other words in the sentence. Now come to its kinds. According to a structure, there are 5 kinds of preposition. Simple preposition, compound preposition, that is also called complex preposition, double preposition, participle preposition, and phrasal preposition. These are the 5 kinds according to the structure. At first, we will take simple preposition. One word prepositions like after, at, for, in, of, on, over, by, till, etc., etc. are called simple prepositions. He sat on the chair. On. Now it's time for compound preposition, that may also be called complex prepositions. One word preposition which are formed by a prefix such as a coming before any word, a, about, or b, or in, like this, inside, beside. These are words which are these are prepositions which are made by the prefix before a noun or an adjective or an adverb, called compound composition or complex composition. Preposition. Double preposition. Prepositions which are made up of 2 simple prepositions together are called double prepositions. Once upon a time there was a king, beautiful princess. Once upon, mix up of 2 prepositions. Now come to participle prepositions. Prepositions which are formed by present participle or past participle form of verb and have endings such as ed, ing are called participle prepositions. Regarding, during, provided, these are. And the last one, according to function, is phrasal preposition. I am just saying it or revising it as you will listen it and get much more memory again and again. That memory again and again. A group of words consisting of preposition, an object, and the object modifier is called phrasal preposition. On time, at home, before class, on the floor. These are the kinds according to structure. Now come to according to the kinds according to function. One thing is common in both prepositional phrase या phrasal preposition. In both these are same. According to function, preposition can be classified into 6 categories. Preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction, preposition of agent, preposition of instruments. One thing, common thing, prepositional phrases. At first, we will take preposition of time. The prepositions which are used to refer to time in various aspects are called prepositions of time. At, on, in. She was born in 1984. She was very happy on the first day of her job. The party will start at 8 p.m. At, on, in. Like this. Prepositions for place. The prepositions which are used for several types of places are called prepositions of place. In this also, on, in, at. Example. One more thing to learn. On is usually used for surface. At is usually used for a specific place. And in is mostly used for place having some sort of physical or virtual boundary. In, physical or virtual boundary. At, a specific place. On, for surface. एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. इनका द लिव इन इंग्लैंड, वर्चुअल बाउंड्री और फिजिकल बाउंड्री इंग्लैंड का 4 दीवारी. एट, आई मेट हिम एट द बस स्टॉप, स्पेसिफिक प्लेस. ही पुट हिज बुक्स ऑन द टेबल, सरफेस ऑफ द टेबल. क्लियर. नेचर थोड़ा जानते हैं. नेचर ऑफ प्लेस क्या क्या होता है. इन में नेचर ऑफ प्लेस होगा जैसे मान इन ए हॉल, कैंपस आ गया. इन ए स्कूल, इन द बिल्डिंग, in the box, in the car, in a library, in a garden, in England, in the room, in a cupboard, which have virtual or physical boundary. वहाँ पर in. Natural places of on. A specific places like, surface of things like on the table, on the blackboard, on the page, on the wall, on the roof, on the map, etc. On the surface. Nature of place for at, specific places like at the bus stop, at the entrance, at front of the chair, at the bottom of the class, at the edge of the roof. A specific place. This is preposition of place. Preposition for directions. The prepositions which expresses the direction of something which are really showing the directions, direction of anything, are called prepositions of directions. Into, to, through, towards, etc. He threw a ball into a river. Direction. They are going to classroom. The snake was coming towards her. Next is preposition for agent. The prepositions which are used to express usual relationship between the noun, the doer, and the action. By, with, mostly in passive. A lot of noise made by the kids. This mango is eaten by Ram. No problem. And the last one is, because phrasal have been already been told in structure section. Preposition for instrument, device or machines. The prepositions which are used for joining nouns like instrument, device, machines, etc. to other words in the sentence, on, by, with, द हेल्प ऑफ, he went to home by a car. This lock cannot be opened with the key. She watered the plant with the help of water pipe. These are the words. These are the sequences. These are the examples to show you that. And after this, I have provided you a list. I have provided you a list of prepositions near about 100. That is not to say right now 100 का 100 अभी नहीं पढ़ना है, आप उसको एक बार देख लेंगे। और आपको जो वर्ड्स चाहिए, अगर वो वर्ड्स आपके पास नहीं है या फिर नहीं लिख पाए वीडियो से, तो आप हमसे एक बार व्हाट्सअप करें, हमें कमेंट में मांगे, मैं आपको उसका फ़ोटोकॉपी भेज दूंगा, आपको व्हाट्सअप कर दूंगा, आपको ईमेल कर दूंगा, आपको मैसेंजर पे फेसबुक पे डाल दूंगा। प्लीज़ स्टे ऑन एंड आस्क मी। अब यूज जानते हैं। पहला यूज अबाउट का यूज हमने बताया था कल, उसको एक बार रिवाइज कर देते हैं, फिर अगले वीडियो से हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। आज संडे है तो मैं चाहता हूँ एक बार रिवाइज तो हो जाए। बिकॉज आई एम नॉट ओके, आई वॉज इल, आई टुक मेडिसिन एंड नाउ आई एम गेटिंग समथिंग ओके। कॉट पाथ एंड हियर अगेंस्ट यू आल्सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। अबाउट, अबाउट इज यूज्ड टू शो मूवमेंट और पोजीशन in various directions or places. The boys were running about and the boys were running about में about क्या दिखा? Various directions. Books were lying about the room in various places in the room. About is also used to show the meaning or sense of near or nearby. Is anybody about? क्या कोई है आसपास? There was nobody about to save the boy from drowning. बच्चे को डूबने से बचने के लिए वहाँ कोई नहीं था आसपास। इस सब से about क्या होता है? About is also used to show sense of connection with something. We talked about the plants connection. They told the police about it. About it, connection. I don't know anything about it. मैं इस बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ। Connection. About is also used to show rough estimate of something. There was about 500 persons in the party. यह क्या है? It is a rough amount. Estimate of number of people in the party. Actual figure could be slightly higher or lower. एक और एग्जाम्पल लीजिए। इट इज़ अबाउट 3 o'clock, मे भी थोड़ा सा कम बेसी हो रहा हो। इट इज़ अबाउट 50 years old, हो सकता है कम बेसी हो। अबाउट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर शोइंग सच एक्सप्रेशंस विच आर यूजुअली यूज्ड फॉर आस्क अ पर्सन्स ओपिनियन रिगार्डिंग समथिंग। उसका भी इच्छा जानने के लिए। व्हाट अबाउट इट, इसके बारे में क्या ख्याल है आपका? व्हाट अबाउट गोइंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग ड्राइव, मन में आपको क्या विचार है लंबा ड्राइव बनाने के लिए? शी इज प्रीटी गुड, बट व्हाट अबाउट कैरेक्टर? सो है तो प्यारी लड़की, लेकिन उसके कैरेक्टर के बारे में क्या कहना है आपका? ये सब सेंस देने के लिए अबाउट का प्रयोग करते हैं। हम लोगों ने कहा ओपिनियन जानने के लिए अबाउट का प्रयोग करते हैं। इसमें एक चीज जानिए, अबाउट और ऑन सिमिलर कहीं कहीं हो जाता है। किस सेंस में? ऑर्डिनरी और जनरल काइंड के कम्युनिकेशन के लिए हम यूज करते हैं अबाउट का, और वही अगर स्पेसिफिक कोई टॉक हो गया, समथिंग सीरियस एकेडमिक मैटर हो तो ऑन का। एग्जाम्पल हमने बताया था, इट इज़ अ पिक्चर बुक फॉर चिल्ड्रन अबाउट द बैटल ऑफ बक्सर। सिंपल सा टॉपिक है एक। इट इज़ अ बुक ऑन अफ्रीकन हिस्ट्री, या तो सीरियस एकेडमिक के बारे में बताया गया। यहाँ पर ऑन लगेगा। कुछ और यूजेज हैं अबाउट के, जैसे कि नियरनेस ऑफ स्टेट, द ट्रेन इज अबाउट टू स्टार्ट, स्थिति, द मैच इज अबाउट टू बिगिन, स्थिति, दैट, और अबाउट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू शो नियरनेस ऑफ टाइम, इट इज अबाउट मिडनाइट, थोड़ा इधर उधर, नॉट एक्यूरेट। नियरनेस ऑफ कंसर्निंग, जैसे मान लीजिए अबाउट द एक्सीडेंट, टेल मी अबाउट द एक्सीडेंट। तो ये जो हमने मोटा मोटी एस्टिमेट दिया आपको, ये आप यूज़ करोगे प्रीपोजिशन में। यहाँ तक मैंने बताया है। अगली वीडियो में आगे बढ़ूँगा। आज मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी नासाज थी, आई वाज नॉट ओके, और आज देर से नींद खुल पाई है। मैं मतलब आई एम नॉट फीलिंग ओके एट ऑल। मैंने दवा ली बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू बी एब्सेंट एट ऑल हैविंग कम्युनिकेशन टू यू। आज हमने इसलिए हम सोचे कि कुछ प्रिपरेशन है नहीं दिमाग में, वही जो पढ़ा है वही मैं बता देता हूँ। एंड आई विल टेल यू द नेक्स्ट यूज टुमारो और इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। प्लीज़ स्टे विथ मी, join my channel, more and more get benefited. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.